Hi guys, it's Ramon Arciniega, sales professional with Permian Ford. Thank you for browsing our inventory.
Car Story research indicates this vehicle as with popular features and a fair price. Features also include parking assist system, remote start, leather seats, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings,
take a ride in the 2015 Chevy Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, four-wheel drive, tow hitch, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power liftgate, brake assist. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.
Thank you for browsing our inventory. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 575-393-6176.